Today's May 1st, 2014, out here at Black Mountain in New Mexico, an active volcano. And let me show you guys around and show you what they're doing out here, which is actually illegal. Trying to get this area protected. Get this area made into a park, visitor center, learning center, trails, stuff like that. But I'll show you guys around and show you what they're doing. Here it goes. Bear with me here. Watch it. I'm going down this way. See all this stuff? It looks like tubes from cars, cans, like this, bottles, see all this stuff? Look at all this. And cops do this out here too. And it's actually illegal, yet they keep on doing it. See, let me show you. Right here. Some of me and my friends have actually came out here a few times and bagged stuff up and took it to the dump. But yet they keep coming out here and keep littering the area. I've been in touch with so many different people. I've had a couple of volcanologists come out here, Neela and Bill Dunbar, and take a look. This is only the beginning. They have tires out here, they have metal out here, cans, glass, all kinds of glass it looks like. See? Look at this. And see, there's Black Mountain right there. This is a very special and unique area, and they just want to destroy it. This is actually on sacred land. It's actually on, well, I'm not going to say it right now in the video. But anyway, I have Facebook about trying to protect Black Mountain. And I have a couple websites. And I was in the paper. I was actually on the radio station too. I'm going to show you guys more up here. I'll be right back. I'll show you guys more of what they're doing. See, look. Cans. See? It's everywhere. They have it actually everywhere. And see right here, they're actually trying to hide what they've been doing. Trying to hide it so they don't get caught. I'm in touch with people at the courthouse, I'm in touch with the paper, I've been in touch with a couple of senators here. And most people just don't care. Think about what your kids are going to have, or our kids, their kids in the future to come. They're not going to have anything. And that's wrong. We should be protecting the planet, not destroying it. But anyhow, here we go. Look at all that. But I'm working on this for 10 years. Got this area, try to get this area protected. And need more help. Need more others to care to help get this area protected. Had to clean up all around the volcano. And all over the volcano. Look at all this. See? We gotta get the roads taken care of and all that. Gotta get this area cleaned up, protected, and a lot more. So, let me show you. See all this? Cans. But this is a sacred area. I'm not going to say why right now because I don't want people destroying it even more. There's a sacred area. Look at all this. And these people do this if they even found a dead dog out here. I have pictures of it that they didn't even bury. See? And look at this. People. Look at all this. Look at all that. And a lot of people know that this is against the law to do this. And they just flat out don't care. And they need to be held accountable for their actions. I've gotten on to people out here. So like, you know what, you take it in with you, you take it out with you. Of course, a lot of people just turn around like, oh, it's very funny. That's wrong. Let me show you a little bit more up here. All that. Tires, wood, plastic, bottles, cans, metals. See, look at that. Couches and TVs out here. All kinds of stuff. I'm not going to stop till this area is protected. Alright, more to come. I'm out. Bye.